Hiya, I've got another short unboxing video for you today. It's Mike from KSL Presents. I'm releasing videos on podcasting and audio, so if you enjoy the content, please hit the like button. Let me give you a little bit of context. I will be moving my studio from my tiny room to a slightly bigger room soon. And when I make the move, I will be changing a few things. One of the bigger things, more fundamental things that I'll change is the desk. So I've ordered this workstation desk made for audio production and music composition, and we'll talk about it later. I'll make a video when it finally comes. But due to the size of the desk and functionality, the setup of my speakers, of my studio monitors, will change. Now, which I've done for years, I had my studio monitors on stands sitting on top of Nordell audio foam pads. So in the new studio, with the new setup and the new desk, the speakers will be sitting on top of the desk, on this sort of lifted shelf at the end of the desk. I don't want the speakers just sitting on the wood, because one, reflections from the surface of the desk. So if the speakers are sitting directly on the desk, they can reflect. The sound will reflect from the surface of that desk. And also we've got to think about the vibrations that could travel through the desk, through the wood. So I was looking for monitor stands that could solve these issues, and I stumbled upon, well, I kind of knew about them from other YouTube videos, ISO-Acoustics, and I think they will be perfect for what I need. And I want to open the box with you today and see what's inside. Just one more thing, ISO-Acoustics, they make speaker stands, studio monitor stands, and when you go on their website, you can take their quiz and ask a few questions about your setup and speakers, and that will direct you to the right ones. And because I will be using near-field monitors, I was suggested the ISO-155 model. How I want the speakers to be set up is to sit at the desk on top of these stands at an angle, so the sound will directly hit my ears rather than reflect off of the desk. But yeah, enough talk, let's open it up, see what's inside. Okay, so that's the retail box, just shows you the weight, the contents. I've ordered it from Absolute Music. It's a great shop in Bournemouth, but of course you can order online. Okay, so it says speaker compatibility, things like that on the box. Is for near fields. Okay, so we got quite a bit of stuff there. So these are obviously your stands that could be tilted. We got things there. And our installation guide, because depending on how tilted you want this speaker stands and how high you want the speaker stands, then that depends on the tubes that will insert inside. But yeah, that's what we got there. That's what we got today. Like I said, it's just a short unboxing video. Obviously that's not a review. I want them installed and then tested, and only then I'll make a video review of these stands, which I reckon will be out in a few months. But I think that's it for today. Thanks for watching. I'm Mike Migas. If you enjoy this kind of videos, check the rest of my channel. For now you can share, like or subscribe, and I'll see you later.